Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Cinnamoroll-inspired outfit and dress to impress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one, you're going to choose this hairstyle and also this bang, and you're going to go to the top area and wear this top, and then I'm going to move to the skirt area and wear this skirt, and I'm going to color it blue. You can use this color code, and for the belt I'm going to color it white. Okay, the next one, I'm going to wear this sleeves, this one, and I'm going to select toggle 3 and I'm going to color it blue. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the accessories. I'm going to go to the necklace area and I'm going to wear this necklace and color it blue. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this bag and I'm going to color it blue for the first selection, and I'm going to go to this area and wear this hat and I'm going to change it to bunny ears. Okay, and for the color I'm just going to color it white. Alright, and then the last one, we're going to go to the dressing room. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot the earring. I'm going to wear this earring. Okay, and then I'm going to color it blue for the second selection. Okay, let's move to the dressing room and I'm going to wear coats item. Go to the coats and then I'm going to wear this one. I'm going to color it white, this leg warmer, and wear this boot and color it blue. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.